Where are we going, Mummy? Can you please?
Dharavi slum area.
Oh, we're to the Dharavi slum area as promised, which is going to be a walking trail for 2.5 hours as we're told. We're going to be accompanied by a tour guide and we'll meet her soon along with some of our other friends who are going to be heading with us to the trail. We also have Shalini coming with us today. Okay, so let's get going, people. Our host who has just arrived. She's Divya Chitrod. Welcome,
Chitroda.
Okay, so welcome Divya Chitroda.
Hi,
Hello.
namaste.
Thank you. Okay, so that's our team. We've just disembarked from the car. Divya has met someone, so she's really leading the way. Where we're going from. This is the most narrow lane I've ever been through.
ये तो फिर भी बड़ा है.
अच्छा, ये बड़ा है? Okay.
बड़ा है.
ये lane. Wow. This is so cool.
This is where they recycle glass bottles and plastic board basically. They segregate it and then send it for recycling.
I'll let you know.
Hi.
We're from the US.
Oh, you're from the US? Okay. And how are you finding it here? Is this your first time to Mumbai?
First time in India. It's kind of towards the end of our trip, but it's been a really great experience.
Okay,
yeah.
what part of India do you like the most?
I can't say that. They've all been very different.
Okay.
So yeah, we just came from Varanasi, so
Varanasi.
very different
Okay,
places.
wonderful.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
We went to Ranthambore, Salt Tigers, so all very different.
Okay,
yeah.
great. I'm glad you're enjoying your trip.
It's great here.
Okay, great.
We're just tired.
Okay, alright, okay. But have fun for the rest of it.
Yes, thank you.
आप यहाँ पे कब से हो?
बहुत दिन हो गया, 20 साल हो गया, 20 साल।
20 साल हो गए। और आप यहीं पे रहते हो?
यही काम मेरा है।
ये आपका काम है? क्या काम करते हो?
यही लकड़ी का काम है और क्या है? ये तो साइड और इधर उधर करते हैं।
अच्छा।
अभी किसी सेठ बोला कि मेरे कारखाना छोड़ना है।
अच्छा, बहुत मेहनत का काम है
अभी
आपका।
मेहनत का काम ही है, ये 2 पहिया का गाड़ी है तो मेहनत तो लगेगा। पहियों भी ले लो, वहाँ काम करी।
अच्छा, और अगर आप बुरा न मानो तो मैं पूछूं आपको दिन का कितना कमा लेते हो?
अरे दिन का तो 500 हो जाता है, काम रहेगा तो, नहीं काम रहेगा तो नहीं हो पाएगा।
ओके,
हम लोग 6-7 जन एक साथ में रहते हैं, उसको खोजना उसको।
20 साल से?
20 साल हो गया हम लोग को इधर।
ओके, चलो बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, थैंक यू।
For example, by 10 square house without toilet, they have to pay 7,000 to 8,000 rupees a month.
How many people use that washroom? One washroom is used by
2-3 factories.
2-3 factories. We have to a very narrow. Here you see, very narrow passage. And this is really cooked in. So literally stay in this much of a room where you don't even have headspace. I mean, when you come up, you come down from what they call a rooftop experience, which is fantastic. Okay. Thank you. ये बनने में कितना समय लगता है?
आधा घंटे समझो।
आधे घंटे में बनाओगे ये? Very good.
See the
और ये आप
quality
कहाँ
and
बेचोगे?
everything.
मार्केट में जाएगा,
कौन से मार्केट? क्रॉफर्ड मार्केट,
सांता क्रूज।
सैंटा क्रूज।
Santa Cruz.
ओके,
Different place.
नमस्ते भाई साहब, ये आप क्या कर रहे हो यहाँ पे?
गिफ्ट आइटम बना रहा हूँ।
गिफ्ट आइटम्स। ओह, सो कैसे गिफ्ट आइटम्स क्या होंगे?
इसमें सब बॉटल भर के सब बाहर काम जाता है।
इंडिया के बाहर? एक कोई दिखाओगे? ओह वाओ,
लेडीज पर्स रखने का है।
वाओ, अमेजिंग। वाओ, ये सब यहाँ बनता है? लवली। आप लोकली भी बना सकते हो अगर हम बनवाएं आपसे। वेरी नाइस। भाई साहब, आपका नाम? जामुन। आप यहाँ कब से हो?
यहाँ हुए लगभग 300 साल हो गए, 35 साल।
35 साल हो गए। और आप बहुत ज़्यादा यहाँ पे दिन भर यहाँ पे ही काम करते हो?
करना ही पड़ता है।
अच्छा, मतलब सुबह कितने बजे शुरू करते
9 बजे लगते हैं,
हो? अच्छा, और शाम
को 6 बजे छुट्टी।
और रहते भी यहीं से हो?
यही रहते
अच्छा, और आप कहाँ से हो?
यूपी,
यूपी में? कहाँ से?
अयोध्या।
अयोध्या?
हाँ।
ओके, वेरी नाइस। चलिए, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
हाँ।
थैंक यू। These are stacks of shorts which are made here in Dharavi that we use and see and buy from retail outlets. We have a whole lot of people investing their entire day in making this for us. So that's where Millionaire Alan make their way out of the Dharavi shawl.
The owner of this whole factory, and again a millionaire.
Malik bhai, namaste.
नमस्ते।
ये आपकी फैक्ट्री है पूरी?
Just give it.
Okay, come.
Sorry.
मलिक भाई, ये किस चीज़ की फैक्ट्री है? प्लास्टिक?
ये देखो, ये लोग सब काटे वाले।
अच्छा, ये काटे
वो जो लोग माल लेके आते हैं, ये लोग जमा करते हैं, जमा करके टेम्पो में, लाड़ी में हमारे पास लेके आते हैं।
अच्छा,
can get.
फिर हम लोग इसको सॉर्टिंग करके ग्राइंड करते हैं.
Okay.
ग्राइंड करके कंपनी में लॉरी 10 टन का 10 टन लोडिंग करके हम लोग जो है कंपनी में देते हैं. कंपनी में वॉशिंग होता है,
Okay.
वॉश होकर प्रोसेस होता है. प्रोसेस होने के बाद आइटम वाले लेके जाते हैं.
Wow.
ऐसा है.
Yeah, बहुत सालों से कर रहे हो.
हाँ, बहुत सालों से.
Okay, so this is the Nala as they call. Of course, this is a thoroughfare some of us have travelled upon. When coming from this particular
Plate.
plate, and what do they do with it?
Embossing,
The
where they give the strong press to the leather.
And that makes it look like it's a snake print.
Looks very similar. Very, very.
You probably would buy it assuming it's there.
You know, killing wild animals is illegal.
Yeah. So guys, this is the washing machine where all the leather is washed. Okay, this is all drying.
If you go just there and if you see inside, there's a lot of space.
Yes. Oh, inside this you need entrance to the washing machine.
See, there's a lot of.
Okay, and that's where all the clothes are washed, is it? The leather is washed.
This is the machine for shaving. So to remove extra material. Like when it comes to the leather, it has to be flat. Right. So,
Namaste, bhai sahab.
so this is the factory where they dye the fabric, and there is a very famous market in Mumbai called
Yes.
where this dyed fabric goes over.
Wow.
Even the celebrities' fabric also comes here.
भाई साहब ये अभी क्या कर रहे हो आप? थोड़ा बताओगे इस बारे में? थोड़ा बताओगे इसके बारे में? ये अभी कौन सा कलर आएगा इसमें? पीच कलर. तो ये स्टेप कैसे होगा? मतलब पहला आप क्या करते हो? ये कपड़ा कहाँ से आता है? ओके, और ये अभी आप पीच कलर. ओके, और इसमें कितना समय जाएगा आपका? इतने कपड़े को आधा घंटा जाएगा. How are you both liking this so far? Good. You want to say something?
Amazing. It's like coming to a different planet. I never knew that this existed.
Okay. What did you
I'm
say?
really
Very exciting. Very exciting. Oh, and you have been walking on this tour for how long now?
I guess it's more than an hour now.
Yeah.
Or maybe a couple of hours. I don't
Couple of hours.
have track of time.
Okay. Okay. And we have a lot more to go, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think we are halfway done is watching.
Oh my God, that's a lot of walking. But we are enjoying a lot. You're enjoying a lot. Okay. Cool.
Now we are going to the interesting part of the tour. Narrow alleys, very narrow. One person can walk through one time.
What is this?
It's a public where we stand on a big queue and have our own water.
So you have to carry your own water and it's a public toilet.
Five pairs, so please watch your step.
Okay, so this is a residential area at the Dhar slum. This is where you go up from. I don't know how is it possible, but yeah, hello. People manage. And we're on our way. Hello. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? नाम क्या है आपका? Aliza. Very nice, Aliza. आप कहाँ रहते हो? आप कहाँ रहते हो? मतलब यहाँ पे कहाँ रहते हो? अच्छा यहाँ. Okay, this is a doctor's clinic in Dharavi. As you can see, there's very little space where people are flocking here. That's just behind the private school. Private school is Baba Saheb Ambedkar, where it's an English medium school, it's a public school, vernacular medium, South Indian alley. This is where the idlis actually come from. The idlis that we have in the morning, the ones that the vendors sell to us.
Even the batter of idli
The batter
comes
of
from
idli?
Dharavi to all over in Mumbai.
Oh.
Might be you will not have idli later on.
She says we're not going to have idli, having seen where it comes from, but no, I think to each his own. Okay, this is the last part of our tour. It's called the Kumbharwada. Hello. So this is basically pottery. Kumbhar is the potters who engage in the art or the craft of pottery. Oh yeah, Shalini is pointing us out to some beautiful craftsmanship in the form of pottery displayed. And we're going to go over the lane, very narrow. But this is a lot quieter, more peaceful. Hello. And more residential but cleaner. Much. Here, there's some more. This is the gully. This is how it's being made here in Kumbharwada at Dharavi. All the clay. Yeah, this is all the clay. The ingredient or the raw material that is used. 6 years was fabulous. As I said, it was an eye-opener. And we didn't know that we coexist with people here who have been absolutely wonderful in treating us, welcoming us, in spite of the conditions that they're living under. They have a smile. Very often we forget how blessed we are. And this is an opportunity, a reminder for us to realize that as we coexist, we must be ever so grateful. Thank you, DC. You've been
So
wonderful.
if you have seen, people are always smiling.
Yes.
So after seeing this, I learned in my life that you have to be happy whatever you have.
Yes.